Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you the updated and easiest way to change your emoji reactions to messages on Messenger. Whether you want to express yourself with a heart, a laugh, or something totally unique, this guide will help you personalize your chats in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open up the Messenger app on your phone. You'll see your list of conversations. Just tap on the chat where you want to change your reaction. It can be any conversation, whether it's with a friend, a family member, or even a group. Once you're inside the chat, find the specific message you want to react to. Now, press and hold on that message. This will bring up a row of emoji reactions right above the message. Here's where the fun starts. You'll see a few default emoji options pop up, like the thumbs up, heart, laughing face, and more. To quickly react, just tap one of these emojis, and your reaction will instantly appear on the message. But what if you want to use a different emoji or something more personal? Look for the plus icon at the end of the emoji row and tap it. This opens up a full emoji menu, giving you access to all the emojis you can imagine. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the perfect emoji that matches your mood. Once you've found your favorite, tap on it. Your new emoji reaction will now be visible on the message for everyone in the chat to see. It's that simple. Changing your emoji reactions is a great way to make your conversations more expressive and fun. You can update your reactions as often as you like, so feel free to switch things up depending on the moment. So next time you want to show a little extra personality in your Messenger chats, just follow these steps and let your emojis do the talking. Thanks for tuning in, and happy chatting.